Hello everybody! Watch this video to find out how to recover files removed after you apply the CHKDSK command. Typically, the CHKDSK utility is used to repair errors on various storage devices. However, sometimes this utility can cause loss of data. As a result of it trying to repair disk errors, a part of the information may be erased, so some files will either get damaged or disappear at all. In today's video, we'll explore how this system utility works, how to avoid loss of data, and how to recover files lost after using the CHKDSK utility in Windows. CHKDSK is an integrated system utility in Windows which is designed to check the file system and hard disks, and then repair any errors it has found. It is meant to detect and fix problems related to files, folders, and bad sectors. CHKDSK scans the file system and physical sectors of the disk for any errors such as damaged files or file system failures, and it can recover damaged system files or folders as well as repair errors in the file system structure. CHKDSK can identify damaged sectors on the disk and mark them as unfit for further use, so that the operating system will not use them to store data. If CHKDSK operations deleted important files on your computer, there are a few ways to restore them. Always remember, the sooner you try to bring your files back, the higher are your chances of success. When a file is deleted, the area on the storage device where it was stored is marked as available for overwriting, so this part of the disk can be completely overwritten soon. Now, let's find out when can files be deleted just because you have used the CHKDSK utility. Interrupted CHKDSK processes. Data can be lost if the computer is powered off or restarted just in the middle of an operation performed by CHKDSK. So, if you have this utility running, never shut down or restart your PC. Another possible situation is when you try to run CHKDSK on a faulty or damaged hard disk. If a hard disk is damaged, it contains bad sectors which can become inaccessible over time. If CHKDSK finds damaged sectors, it marks them as bad. As a result, the operating system will not use them to save data or read data from such sectors. If there is any data there, it can be lost forever. To prevent that, create a disk image as soon as possible. So, can we recover data from a storage device if some files were removed by the CHKDSK command? Yes, recovery is possible, even if the problem is caused by bad sectors. Thanks to the sophisticated file search algorithms, our specialized data recovery tool, Hetman Partition Recovery, will help you to restore files even if they are removed at the system level as a result of using the CHKDSK command. However, if your data was removed from an SSD, there is one peculiarity to be mentioned. SSD devices make use of the trim technology. Unless it is disabled, the operating system tells the drive which data blocks are no longer used, and within a short time all data will be erased from such blocks. As a result, recovery will become impossible. If you identify any issues in the work of your SSD with the trim feature enabled, hurry up to create a disk image. I say hurry, because such a disk can fail at any moment. As soon as you have the disk image, you can use it for all recovery operations. Download, install and start the recovery tool. Select the faulty drive in the main window and click Save Disk in the menu above. Make sure that your computer has enough free disk space to save the image. Then choose where to save it and wait until the operation is complete. After that, you'll be able to upload the image into the recovery tool and scan the image. To do it, click Mount Disk, Raw, and give the path to the image. Now, let's see how to delete an account. As I said before, files are not erased from the disk as soon as you delete them. If the disk is not used actively, the files can still be recovered. Hetman Partition Recovery will help you recover files lost as a result of accidental removal or disk formatting. The tool can recover files in various data loss scenarios, including removal as a result of CHKDSK activities. To do it, look at the Programs window, right-click on the disk from which files were deleted and choose Open. Then select the analysis type – File Scan or Full Analysis. For most simple cases, File Scan will do. As a result, the tool will instantly scan the disk and display all detected files. If the utility failed to find the necessary files, then run Full Analysis. To do it, return to the main menu, right-click on the disk and choose Analyze again. Then select Full Analysis and specify the file system type, then click Next. This process is quite long, and its duration depends on the scanned disk size. When the scan is over, open the folder where the lost file used to be. Now you can see that deleted files are marked in a corresponding way. Select all the items you want to recover and hit the Recover button. Then choose where to save them, the disk and folder, and hit Recover again. In the end, you will find the recovered files in the folder you have chosen. This is how we managed to recover files after they were deleted by the CHKDSK command. One more way to recover such files is to use the File History feature. If it was configured properly before the files were removed, you'll be able to bring them back. But if it wasn't enabled, then you can't use this method. To run this tool, type File History in the search field, otherwise open Control Panel, File History. Find the folder where the lost files used to be stored. In the new window that opens, go to the folder that contains your deleted files. You can use the left and right arrow buttons to navigate between file copies. Select the files to recover, then hit the green Restore button. To have the files restored to the previous folder, hit the Restore button again. Another method to recover files deleted by the CHKDSK command is to check and recover CHK files from the folder found.30. This is the folder that CHKDSK creates to store damaged files. Open Windows Explorer. In the upper panel, select View and check the option Show Hidden Items. Open the disk where you have run CHKDSK and find out if there is a folder with the name found.30. Open it, and you will see some files with the extension CHK. To have such files converted back to their previous format, there are several free solutions. For example, such utilities as dchk will help you to recognize the contents of files and transform them into their original format. Run the utility and select the folder found.30 as the directory to search for files. Click on the Start button, and it will try to recover your data. If the original files are too damaged, they can't be converted by dchk. If there is no folder or it's empty or you fail to recover your files with this method, use a specialized data recovery tool, Hetman Partition Recovery, which will definitely get your data back. Use it to recover files previously deleted from the folder found.30 or recover files from the source folder where they used to be stored. Also, such files can be modified manually. To identify a file extension, open the file with Notepad. In my case, JFIF is actually a JPG file. Replace CHK with JPG. Summing up, we can say that CHKDSK is a useful utility, but in certain circumstances it may cause a data loss. The methods we have described today should help you resolve the issue with lost files after using the CHKDSK command. And always remember, your best solution is to recover lost files by having a relevant backup, so make sure you back up important files regularly. And that is all for now. I hope this video was useful. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments under the video. Thank you for watching and good luck!